Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit text in Photoshop 2024. By the end of this video, you'll be able to jump into any project, tweak your text with confidence, and make your designs look just right, whether you're fixing a typo, changing a headline, or updating a client's info. Let's not waste any time and get right into it. First things first, go ahead and open up Photoshop. If you already have it running, you're a step ahead. If not, find the Photoshop icon, usually a blue square with PS on it, on your desktop or in your Applications folder, and give it a click. After a moment, the program will load up. If you're opening a specific project to work on, you can just go to File up in the top left corner, hit Open, and navigate to your file. If you're starting fresh, you can create a new document by selecting New. Either way, make sure you've got the file with the text layer you want to edit open and ready to go. Now here comes the magic part, editing the actual text. Take a look at your Layers panel, which is usually on the right side of your screen. Text layers are usually labeled with a T icon, and the layer name will often give you a hint about what the text says. If you have a lot of layers, don't worry, just take your time and click through until you find the right one. Once you found your text layer, select the Move tool. It looks like a simple cross with arrows on each end, or just directly click on the text right there on your canvas. Now to make an edit, all you need to do is double-click right on the text itself. That's right, just hover your mouse over the words you want to change and double-click. You'll notice that the text becomes highlighted, and suddenly it's just like editing text in a word processor, simple and familiar. If you weren't sure where to double-click, just look for your cursor to change from a pointer to a text cursor, kind of like a blinking I-beam. Once you're there, double-clicking will let you jump into editing mode, and now you can type anything you want. Whether you need to fix a simple spelling mistake, add a title, or swap out a name, it all works the same way. And a quick tip, if your new text doesn't fit quite right, try using the Type Tools settings up top to change the font, the size, or the color until everything looks just the way you want. Sometimes, especially if your project has multiple text layers stacked on top of each other, you might accidentally select the wrong one. Don't worry if that happens. Just click away from the text, find the correct layer in your Layers panel, and try again. Photoshop's undo feature, Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac, is always there if you make a mistake, so feel free to experiment and adjust as much as you need. Once you finish typing your new text, simply click the checkmark at the top of the screen or press Enter on your numeric keypad to confirm the change. That's it, your text is updated, and that's all there is to it. Open Photoshop, double-click on your text, and type away. Editing text in Photoshop 2024 really couldn't be easier, but sometimes it helps to see it done step by step. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions about text editing in Photoshop or want to learn more Photoshop tricks, drop a comment below. I read every one. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.